Well, a very good evening. Welcome to this special broadcast from the Tribune Network. I'm coming to you live from the Tribune headquarters here in Chandigarh. Flurry of decisions taken by the Punjab government in the recent times, indicative of the Chief Minister Amrinder Singh being in poll mode. A lot of decisions with regards to employment generation and also other sectors that perhaps indicating that with election just less than a year away, the government wants to come out with these populist measures. I am joined by my colleague, senior colleague Rajmeet Singh. Rajmeet, first tell me, what are these decisions which have been taken by the Punjab government?
Most important decision taken even in the last cabinet is restructuring of the government departments. In that, they are, giving away a lot of redundant posts and creating new posts in which new recruitment has taken place. They have given a target of 1 lakh and or more to be. That is one of the major decisions. Second decision, which is a late decision but taken now, like they have started giving permits for mini buses. It was one of the poll promises in 2017. These are the two promises which largely employment generation related.
Okay. Also, Rajmeet, when Amrinder Singh's party, Congress party, went into poll mode in 2017, they had made a lot of promises with regards to employment generation and other sectors. Has the government fulfilled those promises?
So there is a difference of opinion on that. Opposition says it's more of a drama, but the government gives its own statistics. First of all, they organize the employment melas, in which they would bring the students and the companies on one platform. In that, most of it was private employment.
Right.
Second was they had promised giving unemployment allowance to the total unemployed youths in the state,
Right.
which sadly. They have modified it. Now they said that they won't be giving the allowance; they would be giving them training in that money. So that promise has not been fulfilled.
Right.
So certainly there is some anger among the youth that a lot of this particular promise needs to be. Government should come clear on that.
And also, there was some other promises which were either tweaked or not really fulfilled. Like you were mentioning, some transport decision which were taken.
It was more of a the government had announced to end the transport mafia.
Right.
Basically, transport mafia means the big transporters. They were running illegal. There was illegal extension of routes.
Right.
Even High Court struck it down. They have issued them notices, but strangely those notices have remained till notices. No action has taken on the ground. Around there are more than 5,000, I believe, illegal extension of routes which need to be cancelled. So that was one of the, and then the cable mafia. The former minister Navjot Singh Sidhu had brought out a policy in which they would try to regulate the cable mafia,
Right.
the pilferage of the theft of the vision of government duty. That promise also needs to be fulfilled. These are the two core main things which.
And also, the government has lost almost a year in handling the pandemic issues. So, are these decisions now, sudden flurry of decisions which have been taken by the government, the polls are just a year from now, they've lost 1 year. So, it is also indicative that the government has lost a lot of time by handling this pandemic issue. So, they want to go into a very fast forward mode in this.
Yeah, the government, certainly the COVID, because of the financial constraint, other restrictions, has delayed implementation of many, schemes. And money is one of the factors which the government has been saying. And see now, with less than, I think, 11 months are left
Yeah.
for the elections. Now they're rushing with the, pending decisions because the party sources, they have carried out a survey, in which, the aspirations of people of the implementation of the pending issues is one of the main concern.
Right.
So the government is trying to rush with, recently they have come out a lot of promises for the urban areas.
Right.
So certainly the government is rushing with the less time for it.
Have they prepared a list of those promises which have not been made yet, and they want to rush in with those?
Yeah, certainly, the development of the urban areas,
Right.
which has been delayed. That's one of the main concern. Now, recently, the Chief Minister inaugurated Amrut scheme, and a lot of water supply sanitation schemes are underway.
Right.
So they are the main areas in the urban areas, which which have been delayed, particularly. So.
And also, the government, Punjab government, seems to be in a financial crisis. I mean, it's a very well-known fact that you are going through a very severe financial crisis. So, in such a situation, how practical are these decisions which they have taken? I mean, is it practical that they can implement these decisions in the next 10 to 11 months?
Yeah, financial constraint is certainly a big issue. But since the promises have been made, they are trying to, it's a tough situation, it's a tight situation. Certainly the government admits it's in a very tough situation.
And also a very unrelated question, Rajmeet. Captain Amrinder Singh, there was a marriage in his family. A number of MLAs were invited, but Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu, conspicuous by his absence. Do we read something into it, or
It was not a marriage, it was a pre-wedding lunch for the MLAs. It's the granddaughter's, Marinder Singh's granddaughter's marriage
Right.
coming days. So in that, Navjot Singh was conspicuous by his absence. But that cannot be, understood as, he is keeping away. There are developments going on in the party, and we hope after the budget session, certainly a lot of things are going to fall in place. There's a lot of speculation going on in the media regarding the restructuring of the PCC president, and induction of Sidhu. I hope the indications which are coming so far, things are working the way you can say the chief minister wants, or there are a lot of grey areas which needs to be filled now in the coming days.
so Rajmeet, in his own unique style, not giving out much, but making some hints at some kind of developments happening. Thank you so much, Rajmeet, for those details. So clearly, these announcements, the decisions which are taken by the government of late, indication that the Captain Amrinder Singh government wants to rush through with these populist measures with the election just some months away. The government is confronted with this farmers' agitation which is continuing. The Chief Minister himself expressed hope that it will be resolved because there was a financial constraint on the state coffers, and under these circumstances, the government is trying to get into a poll mode so that these populist measures, the promises which were kept, are met. You can also log on to our website tribuneindia.com for more news and updates, and also follow us on our other social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.